Hey everybody, I'm at the World Concrete Trade Show. I'm at the Milwaukee booth with Rob. Rob, thanks for having us again.
Hey, thanks for
So
coming.
we're talking about the Bolt helmet. And the Bolt helmet's been out since 2019 with lots of different accessories and innovations that you've been adding to it. Tell me what came out this year.
Yeah, what's brand new for us behind us is a new Bolt REDLITHIUM USB cooling fan.
This guy.
Yes, sir. One of the biggest things we've heard as the market has been transitioning from type 1 to type 2 for all that added safety is that transition means the helmets and hard hats are running a little bit hotter. So we're looking at how can we reduce that heat, build up inside of that head protection, bring new air in, and to do that we're using our new Bolt cooling fan.
So this is blowing at your face or the back of your neck?
So we've got multiple different duct styles made out of that silicone.
Yep.
That are easily removable and swappable to be able to customize that airflow. This one would be blowing, it's our universal neck air duct at the back of your neck.
Yep.
And then
this one goes underneath.
Here will actually be
over.
updated foam coming out in our type 2 climbing style helmet that actually is channeling the air through the foam and out of the air ducts in the top. We're the only fan unit that's delivering airflow to the top of head rail.
That's like the car seat coolers, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's just a simple turn on button, right?
Yep, the simple button in the back. It's got 2 speed modes, high and low. You're gonna get about a 4-hour runtime on high and a 6-hour runtime on low. Can you feel it?
I feel it.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Real awesome.
So what was that runtime again? 6 on high?
4 hours on high, 6 on low. It's running off our REDLITHIUM USB 3 amp hour battery.
Okay.
So you can swap that out to get all day runtime and internally recharge it.
So
You'll retain
charge it with a USB port, right?
USB-C.
USB-C. Wow, and it just clips right onto the back.
Clips right on. One of the other really unique things too is we spent a lot of time really engineering this fan so that it would be comfortable for all day wear. And to do that, we've got a balanced unit coming in at 230 grams. It's equally balanced and compatible with headlamps.
That's the battery right here, right?
The battery's up front.
So I just unscrew that. Does that just pull
pop
out?
off. Then you can swap out the battery.
Swap out, charge it, whatever you want.
Charge it over your lunch break. Get about an 80% recharge in 30 minutes.
So what is this out now with summertime-ish?
Great question, Rob. So we're open for pre-orders here at the World of Concrete Show. This fan is going to be shipping in April of this year.
How much?
It's going to MSRP at $134, including the 1 battery, the 3 different ducts, the fan, and the charging cord.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool. I mean, it's so futuristic looking in a sense. Is anybody else doing this?
We've seen a few competitors do it, but nobody's able to deliver that airflow to the top of head and remove that hot, stagnant air like we are with our new Bolt cooling fan. You want to see it in action?
I do, but I want to ask you one more question. I was wondering if this would eliminate fogging of glasses.
So
safety glass.
Wouldn't recommend wearing it on the front because of debris that could be shot into behind your lens if you're not properly suited.
What about that?
But all of that air is going to be staying inside the top of the helmet and not introduce any safety concerns in the front of your face.
Okay, so it could potentially help with fogging. That's one of my biggest frustrations with safety glass, get that fogging. I'd love to see this demo.
Absolutely.
Here, look at this.
So
the fogging machine,
this
right?
is showing off that really powerful airflow.
Yeah.
It's about 15 mile an hour airspeed.
What is this?
It's a fog machine.
A fogger? Okay.
So you can see it being sucked in by the fan. This is delivering that airflow through those internal ducts and out of our pipe here.
Looks like a big bong, doesn't it? Kind of.
Really showing off that high-speed airflow.
So that is taking it down and up and out.
Yep.
That is cool. And if we just did it here.
If I did it here, I would really show you that airflow coming out of those channels there.
Out of here. Yeah. Oh, it's nice and cool.
Yeah, it is.
I like it. What a great innovation. What fun! What a fun product line to work on.
It was really fun.
I really
Thank you, Rob.
appreciate you explaining this, and thanks for having us in the booth. Thank you, everybody.